おはよう、こんにちは、こんばんは、皆さん、Kwagi とハニーです。今回のレッスンへようこそ。Today we're going to learn some weather-related vocabulary in Japanese. 勉強しましょう。Weather in Japanese is 天気、sunny 晴れ、cloudy 曇り、wind 風、rain 雨、thunder 雷、snow 雪。今日の天気はどうですか is how you would ask, how's the weather today? 今日の天気はどうですか You can answer by choosing one of the words we just learned and adding this at the end. For example, 晴れです。It is sunny. 曇りです。It is cloudy. You might hear one of these common expressions as well. 風が強いです。This literally means the wind is strong, but it's translated as it is windy. 風が強いですが降っています。This structure is often used in combination with rain and snow. 降っています comes from 降る being the word for to fall or to calm down, and ています which indicates an ongoing action. For example, 雨が降っています。This literally means rain is falling, but it's translated as it is raining. 雨が降っています。The same goes for 雪が降っています。It is snowing. 雪が降っています。If you simply want to say the weather is good or the weather is bad, you can say 天気がいいです。The weather is good. 天気がいいです。or 天気が悪いです。The weather is bad. 天気が悪いです。今日の天気はどうですか Let me know in the comments what the weather is like where you are. Thank you so much for watching. またね